Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now. This is Srikanth. So today in this video, we are going to see NIEL IT Recruitment 2021 details. So here we have basic details. The organization name is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. Post names are Assistant Programmer B, Assistant Programmer B KOL, Assistant Programmer B SEC, Assistant Network Engineering B, Programmer C, Senior Programmer KOL, Network Specialist, System Analyst C, Programmer Assistant A, Developer, Programmer Assistant B, System Analyst, Programmer and IT Assistant. So the number of posts are 125 posts. Starting date to apply is 31st January 2021 and the closing date is 15th February 2021. Application mode is you can apply through online. Job location is across India. Official site is nielit.gov.in. So if you want to know more details about this notification, go to this official website and get the information over there. So let's see the vacancy details post wise. Assistant Programmer B 21 vacancies, Assistant Programmer B KOL 4 vacancies, Assistant Programmer B SEC 3 vacancies, Assistant Network Engineering B 1 vacancy, Programmer C 2 vacancies, Senior Programmer 45 vacancies, Senior Programmer KOL 4 vacancies, Network Specialist 1 vacancy, System Analyst C 6 vacancies, Programmer Assistant A 2 vacancies, Developer 1 vacancy, Programmer Assistant B 21 vacancies, System Analyst 2 vacancies, Programmer 2 vacancies, IT Assistant 10 vacancies. So totally we have 125 vacancies. Okay, let's see the education qualification for each post. Assistant Programmer B, the education qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech in Computer Science and Engineering or Computer Engineering or Computer Technology or Information Technology or Computer Science and Information Technology or Computer Applications or MCA or BSc, Computer Science Engineering 4-year degree course, relevant degree from an AICTE or UGC recognized institute or equivalent qualification as per the Government of India rules. Assistant Programmer B KOL, BE, BTech, ME, MTech in Computer Science and Engineering or Computer Engineering or Computer Technology or Information Technology or Computer Science and Information Technology or Computer Applications or MCA or BSc Computer Science Engineering 4-year degree course, relevant degree from an AICTE UGC recognized institute or equivalent qualification as per Government of Indian rules. So these are the education qualifications. So here we have the education qualification for each post. Just go through it. Okay. 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 So now let's see the salary details for each post. For Assistant Programmer B, 20,900 rupees, Assistant Programmer B KOL 20,900 rupees, Assistant Programmer B SEC 20,900 rupees, Assistant Network Engineering B 20,900 rupees, Programmer C 33,000, Senior Programmer 38,500, Senior Programmer KOL 38,500, Network Specialist 38,500, System Analyst C 49,500, Programmer Assistant A 21,420, Developer 44,900 rupees, Programmer Assistant B 21,634 rupees to 26,400 rupees, System Analyst 26,625 rupees to 33,600 rupees, Programmer 24,962 rupees to 30,000, and for IT Assistant the salary package is 19,500 per month. So these are the salary details regarding this notification and the selection process. Let's see the selection process. The National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology will select the candidates on written test, interview and document verification. So here we have 3 rounds: written test, interview and document verification. Next, application fee. For general and OBC, the application fee is 600 rupees. For SC, ST, PWD and women, 300 rupees application fee. Okay, if you want to apply for this, you can apply through this link. We will also give this link in the description. Just go through it and apply if you are interested. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.